Okay, hello guys. Welcome to this other slide of our Python programming crash course for absolute beginners. So we're still in day one, so don't forget it's still in day one. So I'm trying to break all these things so you can actually relate. I'm trying to say how I can make this video a bit short, so it will be longer and it will be that much length and the rest of that. So I'm trying to say how I can actually break it down to at least 10 minutes at most, at max 10 minutes at maximum. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So that's why I'm making a whole lot of videos differently. So you won't have to be watching a whole lot of videos and the rest of that. So this also will give you a better understanding and it help you understand fast how to work flow. So today we'll be talking about how to install Python and first, I told you guys before you went ahead to before you go ahead to install Python, make sure you check if Python is already installed on your system. So the best way to check, or the one way to check if Python is installed on your system, you come to your command prompt, and then you search here. Okay, here is it. The command prompt. So it's going to open up for you. Then from your command prompt, you go check if Python is installed on your on your operating system. So if you should check and it's installed, then you're good to go. Okay, so once you're here, you will type Python, tap enter. Wow, Python is installed on my system already. So once you type Python and you tap the enter key and you didn't get this information here, you didn't get this notification here, just know that Python is not installed on your system. So you have to go install that. Alright. So here I have Python 3.10.8, which is the latest version of Python. So this is it. But if you should type this on your command prompt, you didn't get this information, just know that Python is also installed on your operating system. So what you have to do, you have to go away and install Python. So that is one way to check if Python is installed on your system. So next thing is to come to your Google Chrome here, your Google browser, and you go to the official website of Python, python.org. Let's search for python.org, python. Yes, so the official website of Python. Please and please stick to this tutorial from the beginning. Make sure you didn't go anywhere. Make sure you don't go anywhere. Just let it out. Whoa, whoa. Okay, this Python official website is where you get to download Python. Okay, so let's go search for the download button. Oh, okay. I thought I was using the latest version. Python source code and it's all available for download for all versions for Python 3.11. I was actually thinking that Python Python 3.10 was the latest. That was the latest when I downloaded it. So now that I made another version available for us. So they're all same. They're all the same. So you come to this download, go to Windows, choose for your operating system. Mine is Windows. If you're using Mac or other platform, you can actually go for other platform. Here I'm using for me, I'm using Windows. So is it Python 3.9 cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So you just have to check the one that is suitable for your version, your Windows version. So my suitable for it. I'm using Windows 11, so it's suitable for that. So I just have to tap on this Python 3.11.3 to take me to the download page. As you can see, it's downloaded already. So the size is 24.2 MB, so let's give it time to download. So Python, like I said, there is an interpreted language and you can use it widely for anything. So all these Python codes, these are called a list. So in in your other languages, programming language, these are the arrays. But in Python, it's a list. It is as simple as that. It has its own simple syntax and it's very readable. So it's basically just use it, just come here, create your output, and it's gonna give you your output. So okay, Python is installed successfully. So let's open. Wow, so we want to run this file. Okay, Python is already installed, so it's now gonna open up. Let me see how to actually do that. I want to guys to see the process of how to install Python. So let me show you folder. Okay, that's that. So the installation process, wow, okay, this is what I want you guys to take notes here. You want you guys to take notes. You can see this on my screen. This is how to guys to take notes. When installing, please make sure you check on this box. It's very, very important. If you didn't check on this box, you might have some errors in the future while trying to follow up with this course. So you have to check on this box and you click on install now. So I don't want to install Python, so I already have that on my PC, so I don't want to install that. So but if you don't have it on your PC, on your system, or your operating system, you can go ahead, check on these two boxes. And you can actually do this manually in the future, but for beginners sake, or for this tutorial, I highly recommend you check on this box before you install. So you might not run into some errors and some all of that. So if you have come this far, congratulations. Next, I'll be teaching you guys how to write some Python code. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yeah, let's cancel this. So this is how to check if Python is already installed on your system and how to install Python on the system. Thank you. So if you're joining this tutorial for the very first time, if you're enjoying this, or if you're finding value for this, please give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post useful videos just like this one. Remember, I said I'll be covering all the scopes of Python, but for now, I'll be teaching you guys only the web development half of Python. Python has so many scopes, we just listed eight of them, so I'll be covering the eight of them. But first of all, we'll start from the web development. So you need to subscribe. You need to smash the notification bell so you get notified even when I post other videos on other scopes of Python. Thank you. Bye.